Alright, so boom, chat. YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy meksitus in the cut. I'm with my Citus superstars, triple S. Spam, everyone spam triple S in the chat right now. Everyone spam hi YouTube. So basically, my chat gave me their best ringtone voice memos edition. So they had to use their voice. Winner of the voice memos ringtone edition will be put in my phone, and they will get gifted a sub in my chat. All right. So it's finna get interesting. We got the voice memos over here. So let's go. Let's go. First, we got this right here.
Freaksitis loves pick up the phone. Freaksitis loves pick up the damn phone.
Yeah, this is not winning. We're better off just deleting this month. Like, I don't know what's up with it. Anyways, on to the next.
Fuck. Two. Hey, you bitch ass on it. I'm out.
Is this Venom? Are we? Is this Venom?
What?
Is this Venom? Yo, this nigga just morphed himself into a cat. This nigga just busted in my ear? An orgasm in my ear? None.
Mecky, open the door, Mecky. I'm waiting for you. Mwah, mwah. I love you.
Nah. This will never touch my phone a day in his life, bro. Why do you keep giggling in my ear?
What?
You keep giggling. How, bro, a 2 second ringtone? Are we serious?
Daddy's calling, better pick up the phone.
Yeah, this is some Ricky One generic ringtone. Yeah, that was lame.
Hey, Mac, this is Justice Hotline. I just want to tell you that you make my pussy wet. Answer your phone. Stop playing with me.
Is she seducing me? As a ringtone, my You're seducing me as a ringtone?
Pick up the phone right now, Mac.
I low-key like this. I low-key like this. I low-key like this. I low-key like this. I see the vision.
What?
It's crazy.
Greetings and salutations, fine shit. Mecky. Come back to bed, Mac. Come back to bed. Yene Fikir, I miss you. Yene Fikir, please come back.
This nigga actually had one good one, and then he's just been selling.
You getting cold, nigga.
Yo, what's up with y'all moaning in my ear?
What?
Why are you moaning in my ear?
Ring, ring. Your phone is ringing. Ring, ring. Your phone is ringing.
Y'all are missing. This nigga sounds like a munch. You're not. Yo, you better piss me off.
What?
Time this for 300 seconds. I'm so dead ass. Yo, he literally went back to back to back without saying nothing for 2 seconds.
Mecky.
It's not funny. It's not even funny.
Thank you, Mackie.
This is not that bad.
Yep. I'm about to blow.
Yo, like y'all are having orgasms in my chat. Why would I put this as my ringtone and gift y'all for it? We're not making sense, guys. We're not making sense.
Mick, come here, boy. Come here.
Bro, this is
What?
whoa. This is whoa. Yo, am I? This is not the 1700s, man.
Mick, come here, boy. Come here, boy.
Bro, look at this chat.
Why did you say that?
Bro, bro, listen. I was just trying to get you
Am
to
I-
come here.
Am I some
I
dog?
dude. Listen, Brody. Yes, you are a dog. You understand me?
Let's continue.
I don't want to medicate because I don't want to walk and come. Fight for a bitch on a number that I don't know. I'm alright. Yo, one day, Titus Superstars are gonna be a big brand. Without stepping one day.
Like y'all niggas think I'm trolling though. Bro, decided Superstars is finna be a brand. I'm finna make generational money without stepping a foot into college campus.
Help! Help! He has me kidnapped to the car. Help! Help!
Bro, these are not ringtones, my nigga. These are not ringtones. Nah, yeah, for sure. Yo, Nasai, why do you keep moaning in my ear?
Go ahead and pick up your phone, please.
Yeah, I've had enough.
I'm a lying piece of shit.
I'm cooling. Like y'all got it.
Pick up the goddamn phone, Mac! Pick it up!
Oh, y'all frying me.
Pick up the
This nigga literally lost half of his chromosomes for 5 seconds. Let's go back.
Pick up the phone, long nose.
What?
This is the one, bro.
Mecky Wecky, hurry up, wake up, it's time to stream. What are we doing? We're waiting on you.
LOL.
Mech, in all seriousness, you know I love you. No weird.
What?
Why'd he cut himself off as if he had to go?
Mech, wake up! Mech, wake up! Mech's head. No, I don't want to wake up. I'm still sleepy. Mech, wake up! Mech, wake up! No, I don't want to wake up. I'm still sleepy. Mech, wake up! No, wake up!
So let me get this straight. This nigga just had a whole dialogue by himself. Oh hell no. Yeah, no chat. Yeah, I'm done.
What?
Nah, yeah, we're done. Nah, we're done. Nah, we're done. We're done. Chat, W banger. YouTube, I appreciate y'all for having me. I'm gonna see y'all on the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all boys watching this. And other than that, I'm gonna see y'all niggas tomorrow or whenever. I don't know, but we all know. Now I gotta get a thumbnail.
What?
I gotta get a thumbnail.